The number of coronavirus hotspots or the red zones across India has fallen around 23% in 15 days. The government said on Thursday from 170 on April 15 to 130 on April 30th. However, in the same period, the number of green zones or districts reporting no new COVID-19 cases in the past 21 days has also increased. Now, according to the government list, this number of red zone across the country has come down. Relaxation of curbs after May 3rd will be based on this new list only. Also, a change in what classifies as a green zone has also come in. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Arvind Gunasekar. Arvind, how should we look at this data? How would you analyze it? And also the reclassification of what exactly is a green zone is also important.
Yeah, Anjali, today the Health Ministry has issued the revised list of hotspots across the country. In fact, according to this particular list released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, there are around 130 districts that have been classified as hotspots or red zones across the country. If you could compare it with on April 15 data, that's when the Health Ministry issued their first list. On that particular date, that is as on April 15, there were around 170 districts across the country that had been identified as hotspot areas. Now that particular 170 have reduced to 130. So total 130 districts across the country are still in red zones. So if you could see, it's around a reduction of 23% as on date. Coming to the orange zones are a bit less in the intensity when it compares to the corona cases across the country. So number of number of orange zones have increased from 207 to 284. In fact, as on April 15, around 207 districts across the country had been classified as orange zones. But as on date, around 284 districts across the country have been identified as orange zones. Another important thing is regarding the green zones. Green zones are the districts where no corona cases have been reported for last 21 days. So as on April 15, around 356 districts had been identified as green zone. But as on date, the total number of green zone, that is the districts without any corona cases across the country, has come down to 319. So it's a big number. It's a big reduction. It's a fall in the number of districts that have not reported any corona cases. So regarding the reclassification, the Health Ministry has actually they have relaxed the classification for the green zones, because earlier, as on April 15th, the districts which have not reported corona cases for 28 days have been identified as a green zone. But that particular classification, that particular criteria has been relaxed now. That 28 days period have been changed to 21 days period. So districts that have not reported any corona cases for last 21 days can be identified as a green zone. So the Health Ministry has also given some freedom for the state governments. They can move a district from orange zone to red zone, or even from green zone to orange zone. But they cannot dilute a red zone district to green zone or red zone district to orange zone. In fact, state governments have been given the freedom to make stringent measures to contain the chain of transmission, but they cannot dilute it. Another very important thing is that this particular list will be the basis on which, if at all, if there is any relaxation from May 3rd, that relaxation will be based on this particular list. Districts with red zones, districts that have been identified as red zones may not get any relaxation, whereas districts identified as green zones might get relaxation.
All right, absolutely. That's quite important. This is the list that will be considered when relaxations are being taken into consideration. Thank you for that information, Arvind.